Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share screen with audio in Messenger. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Messenger, and here you can see that. Here you can see you have two options: join with video, join without video. So here you simply need to click on that option and click on start call. And if you want, you simply need to click on join with video. Once you click on that, your video will be started, and you can use that to call to another person. So let me close that. So I'm going to close that, but you can do that to start a call with another person. So this is a simple process by which you can do that. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.